here is our heat map. So the heat map is designed to look at concentrations of crime by time and location.
A heat map calculating data, lots of it. It is all part of the new high-tech policing at the University of Cincinnati. Good evening. What if you knew where the bad guys were going to be before they even got there?
Not just where, but what month and what time. A new system created just for UC Police can do just that and more. Local 12's Deborah Dixon shows us how it's going to make the campus and the community safer.
Hi, Sergeant McKeel with UC Police. We've got this little hanger going out just to kind of remind you to watch your stuff. If you get up, have a friend watch your stuff or take it with you. Just because we've had some thefts in the areas, we want to make sure that you guys are safe. Okay?
There is science behind this tabletop reminder to watch your stuff at the library on campus. UC Police know exactly how many thefts have happened here, what day, what time, what month, and even what year.
So if you look at the heat map, again, it's designed to give you that quick reference of what's going on, occurring when, where. Then if you look at the tables below, it actually breaks it down into the specific crimes for you.
UC Police have just gone through extensive problem-solving training using a software map designed just for UC that analyzes data that identifies where campus crime is happening, when, and keeps track of changes, even analyzing the relationship of offender addresses and crime outbreaks.
September, we kind of have an uptick in offenses on campus.
The new crime-fighting strategy is about understanding trends and patterns.
The science behind policing is that crime is not random. Crime clusters, and more importantly, similar type crimes cluster. And once you understand that, then the police can actively prevent crimes and not just respond back.
Respond back. That's what UC Police were doing about theft reports at the library.
We're just putting these out, kind of a reminder to keep an eye on your stuff, okay? If you get up, have a friend watch it.
For UC police officers, the new analysis lets them stay a step ahead of the bad guy.
Looking at that data, being able to look at it and see in real time where these thefts are occurring is a godsend to us. We can also now kind of predict on when we're going to have these spikes, so now we can beef up patrol in those areas when we need to.
Problem-solving strategy includes partnering with students and the community. Everything police learn from the modern computing, they will share. Deborah Dixon, Local 12 News.
The training also includes talking to criminals about why they go to UC and commit crimes and what they look for when they do.